Hello friends, today we will take a trip to the Grand Canyon located in Arizona. It took me 3 hours to reach this wonder. On the way from Las Vegas, you can spot more interesting locations. The first along the way was Boulder City. Further down the journey, you will come across the famous Hoover Dam. As you can see, the itinerary displayed, you can plan your trip accordingly. There are multiple viewing points once you reach the Grand Canyon. Once you have reached the Grand Canyon, there are multiple viewing zones. There is the Eagle Point, the Guana Point, and the Skywalk. The Skywalk is a must. Each person needs an additional $30 to be able to access the Skywalk. Once you reach, you can take a photo. That is another additional $30.
In Grand Canyon, Arizona. You can see it's like 3 times taller than the Burj Khalifa and one of the oldest produced mountains in humankind. It was way before the dinosaurs. As you can see, it's amazing. Look at this. It's something indigenous people standing.
The total round trip from Las Vegas to Grand Canyon and back will cost you $120.
So this right here is the Grand Canyon of Arizona. As you can see, it's steep mountains and it's so perfectly carved out mountains. As you can see, it's a complete plateau over there, and this is what it is, a complete package of mountains. You can see, so we are standing right here in the Grand Canyon, Arizona, the oldest mountain range ever produced by humankind. So big and so humongous. This is the Grand Canyon, and this mountain over there is so big. It's so huge. Look at how deep it is.
Here we are at the Hoover Dam. An interesting fact about the Hoover Dam, it is 60 stories high, and the amount of concrete used in the Hoover Dam is the same amount of concrete needed to make a road from San Francisco and New York City. And another thing, the thickness of the Hoover Dam is equal to the area of a football field.
पहले घूम के फोटो देखेंगे किधर अच्छा है. is the spear, world famous spear, right here in the United States. It's the spear building. If you can see, it's very difficult to take the photo.
Being the city of lights, Vegas never disappoints us. The newest attraction on the Las Vegas Strip is the Sphere. It was inaugurated on the September 29, 2023. It is made up of millions of LED screen displays.